Moving day hacks, secrets from Melbourne's best removalists. Moving day can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. With a solid plan and expert advice, you can turn chaos into calm. In this guide, Harry the Mover, one of Melbourne's most trusted moving teams, shares real-life hacks that make moving faster, smarter, and stress-free. Key takeaways: learn efficient packing techniques, follow a proven checklist, and handle last-minute stress like a pro. These expert tips are tailored for Melbourne moves. 1. Why Melbourne trusts Harry the Mover. Harry the Mover offers reliable service, deep local knowledge, and stress-free moves across Melbourne. From apartments in St Kilda to homes in Fitzroy, they deliver efficiency and care. 2. Pre-move preparation. Start early. Declutter, label clearly, and pack a survival kit. Use color codes and the one-touch rule to stay organized. 3. Packing like a pro. Pack room by room, protect fragile items, use suitcases for heavy stuff, and take photos of electronics before unplugging. 4. Moving day tips. Use the N-quart, last in, first out and quart rule. Keep essentials handy. Protect drawers with wrap and avoid removing clothes from hangers. 5. Last-minute hacks. Quick pack by room. Use garbage bags for clothes and keep a box of must-haves, Sharpie, tape, charger, snacks. 6. Working with pros. Talk to your movers. Highlight fragile items. Ask about arrival time, insurance, and reassembly. Trust their process. Real-life story. Emma from Carlton moved on a rainy day. Harry's team kept everything dry, calm, and under control. Conclusion: moving doesn't have to be stressful. With expert tips and help from Harry the Mover, it can be simple and efficient. Get your free quote today and move with confidence.